did you borrow my car?
Yes, why?
Then why is there a pizza box on the roof?
Oh no.
Oh no, it's empty!
At least you didn't lose the pizza.
Mom, the car is parked outside, with the empty box still on top.
Think of it as aerodynamic recycling.
The neighbors are staring.
Wave proudly. Own the moment.
Mom, this is humiliating.
Fine, fine. I'll go grab the box.
Too late. The delivery guy just walked by, pointed at the box, and gave me a thumbs up.
See, instant street cred.
I'm moving out.
Pack a lunch, use the box.